Do people still have a budgeting system nowadays? And does having a budgeting system make a big difference? And what is the best budgeting system in 2026 that actually works? In this video, I'll break down the budgeting system that I see the best, at least for now in my experience. Hi, I am Max. In 2025, I tried to budget my money. My money disappeared anyway. I tried apps, I tried spreadsheets, I even tried positive thinking. None of them worked. But this simple monthly income system actually did, and I was not expecting this. Now let me be honest. In 2025, I was jumping from one to another budgeting method like I was playing around. 1 month, I used to track every expense. I knew exactly how much do I spend on each coffee I buy. But somehow, in the end of the month, I still had no money. Another month, I tried the save whatever is left method. Turns out, in the end of the month, nothing was ever left. The problem was not the discipline. The problem was in the budgeting system itself. Most budgets assume that we are calm, logical humans. Real life says surprise bill and also hunger. So I needed a system that works even when motivation is gone. So I stopped asking how do I control myself and started asking how do I control the system. Here is the exact system that finally worked for me. This is how to spend your monthly income step by step. Let's say your monthly income is $1,500. The moment you get that money, you divide it immediately. Not after spending, not later, immediately. 50% goes to bills. That's $750. This includes rent, utilities, internet, phone, insurance, and basic food. These bills are boring, and boring is good because boring bills means a predictable life. Next, 15% goes to investing. That's $225. This money is for your future self. For example, the stock market, index funds, or ETFs, dividend stocks, or retirement account. This money is not optional. It moves out first because if you see it, you will spend it. Another 15% goes to saving. That's another $225. This is your safety net. Emergency funds, unexpected expenses, peace of mind. And this part is important. If you can, I want you to keep your saving money far away from your wants money. Different account, different bank if possible, because if your saving money is easy to access, it becomes spending money. And here where most of people make a mistake of saying I spend my saving money unconsciously. Now comes the fun part. 20% goes to wants. That's $300. This is eating out, shopping, entertainment, and fun stuff. No tracking, no guilt, no stress. When this money is gone, it's gone. And for no reason, when I'm allowed to spend, I actually spend less. I believe this system works because it removes decision fatigue and also respects human behavior, and it does not rely on motivation. So you don't need to be perfect. You just need a system that works on bad days too. And for the first time, I stopped checking my bank account every single day. I was not stressed, I was not guessing, and I finished the month with money left. Currently, I'm still going with this budgeting system. Let me know in the comments what always breaks your budget. Like this video to support me keeping up, and remember, I will always be cheering you on from afar.